Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna share with you do an unboxing of my little lash student kit, I guess you want to call it. And here you go, let's go. And it does come with a mannequin head. I like that it's a little bit heavy. I mean, it's not real heavy, but it's enough to, it will slip around and stuff. And then I like this one. Okay, and then this also came with lashes that you can practice on, and it says 8mm, 8mm. So it comes with two, and it does come with some cleansing mousse, gentle without stimulation. I don't know what. I didn't open that. I didn't try that yet. And then this one also came with a little fan. It's a little cute fan, and it can, well, you see that? It can open up and then, I guess. Yeah, but I can't open it right now. There. Oh, cute. This is a good one. And it came with a little charger. Okay. So this one, it comes with a debonder. So for these things here, I'm not going to use it on humans. It's just for the doll head. And then this is, I guess you can clean, this is to clean your tweezers with. This is cool. Okay, and it did come with their own lash glue as well. And this is only for this mannequin head. These products I will not use on any humans. I read over there in their thing that this glue is not for humans. And then it did come with two two of these. One is for to make fans, and this one is for classic, and it's the D-curl. So, and then it also came with two tweezers. Let's just open one. Oh, it's like, oh, it looks not bad. We'll try. I'll test them out as well. Not right now, but it will be tested. And then these are the lip applicators. It came with that as well. And then it came with this big bundle of joy. Nah, it came with 3 tapes. I love that it's pink. It's so cute. And then some under eye patches. And then it came with a whole lot of glue rings. This is a lot. But it's good because I can use them. And then more of the lip applicator. And it came with 2 of these spoolies. So it comes with a lot of things. These here, and they're all pink, cute. And then this is the micro whatever spoolie. So it came with this as well. One thing about this kit, it took a bit to get here, 2 weeks or so from Amazon, really. But it's okay because I finally got it. And it came with 2 of these little, 2 of these for the mapping. And then I believe this here is to put the glue on. You just put a dot of glue and then there you go. And then this is the whole kit that it came with. So this is not a bad deal. It's a pretty good deal. So this will be for practicing only. yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you guys in case you guys are lash artists starting out, and you guys can kind of see what you get when you order it. Um, but yeah, so okay, so I did open another channel. It's called Iveke Aesthetics. And if you want to go and follow my journey there, you guys go ahead. I have been an esthetician since 2008, 2005, 8, between those times, because I went to school maybe 2006, and then came back to Hawaii and got my license. And I've been actually a wax specialist at doing facials, and now I'll be transitioning to doing some lashes. So hope you guys will join me there. I will leave the link down below. And then I'll leave the link down below for this kit, just in case you guys want to, check that one out. Alrighty guys, you guys take care, God bless, and I shall see you all in my next video.